Chang'e 5 to the moon and back again. An amazing achievement. But how did we keep track of it, know how it was, and plot its trajectory? How was it able to perform so many complicated maneuvers so far from home? Who were the people behind the scenes controlling its every move? In the vastness of outer space, east, west, north and south mean nothing. So, how does a spacecraft find its way? The answer is the ground control station. Pinpointing its exact location in the void of space, controlling its every move and monitoring its status without this earthbound control network and its dedicated staff, a spacecraft would be like a kite without strings.
我们就相当于牵风筝线的那个人。这条线其实形象的比喻就是上行的链路吧，或者说是下行的链路。只有上下行链路建立起来以后，卫星才能在我的手中自由的我去控制它。
With a whole of over 20 days' journey into outer space, Chang'e 5 never once left the watchful eyes of the ground control stations. Every second, these vigilant guardians received information from the satellite. Thanks to data about position, speed and status, ground control could ensure the spacecraft was able to perform its complex maneuvers. But because of the Earth's rotation, a worldwide network of stations was required to lock onto the fast-moving satellite.
也许一个站发的上行，等航天器应答下来的时候，原来的那个地面站它已经转到了地球的另一边去，无法接收，被地球挡住了。
In order to achieve as much terrestrial coverage as possible, China set up 2 deep space stations in the country's northwestern and northeastern regions. In 2017, in cooperation with Argentina, China built its first overseas deep space ground station. Taken together, the 3 stations account for a control coverage rate of over 90%.
我们佳木斯的66米，喀什35米的组阵，阿根廷有一套35米。
3套设备基本上可以实现地球无论转到什么位置，在黄道面上运行的深空探测器，最少一个站可以看到它，可以和它建立联系的。
Environment is another important factor to consider when choosing the location for a deep space station. Because signals from outer space are often very weak, any electromagnetic interference will affect communication between Earth and space. Therefore, a station must be built where there's as little electromagnetic disturbance as possible.
电子环境好的干净地方，那肯定就人迹罕至的地方了，那可能就在戈壁、荒漠或者密林深处这些地方。
我们佳木斯的是3面环山那个地方，这样也可以屏蔽周边电磁环境影响。
The Jiamusi Deep Space Station plays the main role in the detection and control of Chang'e 5 because of its 66-meter diameter antenna. It's the largest and most sensitive one of its kind in Asia, able to receive and transmit signals at the same time.
越远的目标，它的信号就会越弱。通过提高天线的口径，来提升了我们接收微弱信号的这个能力。口径越大，接收能力越强。
Not only must the antenna be big, but it must also respond quickly. To keep up with the constantly moving spacecraft, the antenna must be calibrated every second. Using digital control technology, this antenna can automatically calibrate its direction with pinpoint accuracy.
每1秒都会有一个角度，我们根据计算好的轨道数据把它敲进去，就跟我们用电脑是一样的，实时跟踪就可以。
The antenna is sensitive enough to closely follow a spacecraft over 400 million kilometers away. The 380,000-kilometer distance between the Earth and the Moon is nothing compared to it. The mission of Chang'e 5 is extremely complicated. Many of its maneuvers are firsts in China's history of space exploration.
假如说耽误了一次关键时间的控制，整个工程就会带来很大的风险，甚至失败。
There's a complex matrix of intricate circuits and interlocking parts in these gigantic antennas. The normal, precise function of each operation is crucial to the success of the lunar mission.
天线轮轨啊，液冷的设备、光缆、供电电缆，这个都是平时需要去巡查的。
临海下行状态接换完毕。第3次中途交流，遥测信号正常。投资到位。100米的前方。前岸100。